Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome, 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 welcome. YouTube channel. This is the what the first we are speaking here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're going to do our fourth lecture about chemical equilibrium. We're going to learn about chemical equilibrium. Okay, guys, let's continue. Yeah. I'm going to learn about chemical equilibrium. After this lecture, expect you to know these things: open and closed system, reversible equilibrium, and dynamic equilibrium, and must be able to lead the factors which affect or influence the position of equilibrium. And also, let's start with educators asking the learners several questions. That's where I need to list those factors, all of them, like temperature, pressure, and concentration, reactant, or catalyst. So I need to list those factors that affect the rate of friction. This lesson concentrates on teaching students to chemical equilibrium, allowing them to work in groups and finally working on individual questions. Lesson start with educators asking the learners this tutorial question. Reversible reaction do not go to completion occur in both in the forward and reverse direction where the reactant form. Product are turned together to keep the reactant. Solving problems involving equilibrium constant. Perform a laboratory activity to determine the equilibrium constant of an equilibrium system. Use Le principle to predict and explain shift in equilibrium. Include temperature changes, pressure, volume changes in certain reactants or product concentration. The addition of catalyst, the addition of an insert gas, the effects of various stresses on the equilibrium. We're going to perform a laboratory activity to demonstrate the Le principle. We're going to interpret concentration versus time graph, include temperature changes, concentration changes, and addition of catalyst. We're going to describe a practical application of the principle. Example, in a Haber process, hemoglobin production at high altitude, carbonate beverages, eye adjusting to light, blood pH, recharging of batteries, turbocharged, supercharged engines, easier ester synthesis, where indicator and arrangement of produce carbonated beverage in handite. The solubility, we're going to write the solubility product expression KSP. That we'll do later on. We're going to do even the KC. Let's check this. A reversible reaction for physical equilibrium are up to this point. This chemistry has addressed reversibility in physical terms. The phase changes and dissociations. Students will now be introduced to potentiality for reversibility in chemical system. Discuss the conditions that are necessary to achieve equilibrium in a physical and chemical system. We're going to emphasize the differences between the two systems. A physical equilibrium requires closed system at a constant temperature. Example of physical equilibrium are evaporation and dissolving. Let's look at this diagram example. In the diagram below, water is, okay, here water water is in equilibrium when it's vapor, H2O. The rate of evaporation is equal to the rate of condension in a closed container at a constant temperature. At the particular level, for every 1 molecule of water, they evaporate another water molecule in molecular H2O condenses to liquid state. This is an example of reversible reaction for physical equilibrium. Let's look at this. This shows how the at the equilibrium state, what's happening here? You understand? This is your homework. And the one I gave you before, I tried to do some answers and questions here what you'll do, you'll just come and try to rectify where you got what you got wrong here. Remember, on the first question ask you to define reversible reactions. Reactions can go in both directions. This means the product can break down and return to starting reactant. A closed system is one in which no substances in reaction can escape, where an open system, especially gases can escape. We see. So shortly we're going to finish KC. Just be with me, and now we are going to do KC as fast as possible. Thank you so much for watching this live lecture session. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.